This is going to be a puppet theater for my granddaughter. You take an old suitcase and you radically change it. Okay, here we're going to cut the door in the back, measuring first. Got to take out that inside but save it. Cut the door. This will be the area that the puppets will go through. There's a peek. Then by hinges, this door is going to be opening and shutting. Shutting easy carry. You need a tool like this. I didn't have the strength with my fingers, so I got some help. And that's what it looks like. And then you have to have a lock on the other side so it doesn't just pop open. So drill your holes. Set up that hinge lock, and that's what it looks like. Now I wanted it to be thicker and stronger, so I put a scrap board on it, and then I lined it with some padding. Next, hot glue. Reuse that plastic that you took out. Just fold your edge under so it looks nicely hemmed. Then you're going to trim this out. And there we are, adding some trim, pieces of fabric, or you can get some ribbon. And then on the bottom of the suitcase, you're going to start making that more even around the edge. So I have some leftover corkboard there on the bottom, and then I had some felt. And I just rolled it up. We're going to cover that too, and that's what it looks like in the back. Then sew your curtains. You glue those in. Then I filled holes with that round stuff, and then here is the stage. My partner made that too for me. We're going to stain it, let it dry. Cut some jeans. You can hem them. I wanted to straighten it out a little bit, so I just use hot glue for everything. Velcro one side. That's what the hem looks like glued. And you can stuff it with puppets and other things to use, other props. I added lights to this. The lights, of course, can go all the way around the edge. The holes in the board on the bottom is for putting your finger in to lift it. Now this is what the whole thing looks like. So full stage, your puppet theater is ready to go. Show you what this end looks like. And that's how it works. This could be used up on a table or the floor. Up on the table is kind of a neat idea. And then underneath you can keep all your props. Now it's empty. But that I had for finger puppets, and then the other things will be for props or anything your child needs to put on a show.